Yes, I'm back for episode 62 out of 122. Smart money, yes, to blockchain freedom. Welcome back. So if you're new and you're just learning about cryptocurrency, then I've got a treat for you today. So always have come down to this website called coinmarketcap.com. And here you can learn a lot about the markets, the cryptocurrencies, and I'm actually looking at the top 9,000 cryptocurrencies on the screen. And it is good because you can see the 24-hour percentage increase. You can see the last 7 days. You can see Bitcoin's at the top. You can see Ethereum's number 2. Tether, we call a stable coin because it stays at $1. It's very good to send to people because you know what they're getting because other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum fluctuate. So Tether is called a stable coin. You've got XRP, BNB, Solana. USDC is also a stable coin. It stays at $1. And you've got Tron. So have a look at the top 10 tokens, right? And if you're brand new, you could just click on Bitcoin, for example, and you can actually see the all-time chart. So you can scroll up here and you can see all at the top here. You click all, and you can actually go back 5 years. You can go back to 2020, and you can see what the price of one Bitcoin was in 2020. So we're looking at around about 2020, if I can get to the same date, $10,000 for one Bitcoin 5 years ago. So there's something that I talk about always on my videos, and for new people, it's called dollar cost averaging, right? So what does that really mean? It means that you buy a little bit each month for 3 to 5 years. So say, for instance, you could do £50 a month in Bitcoin, buy it every month for the next 3 to 5 years. And as you can see, the chart has got highs and lows. But when you dollar cost average, I use something called Revolut. It's an exchange. There's many different exchanges. You can use Kraken here in the UK. You can use Revolut. There's also another one called Nexo. All you need to do is just ask ChatGPT, which is a reputable exchange to buy Bitcoin. And then you can buy Bitcoin every month for the next 3 to 5 years. And have a look at the other top 10 tokens, right? You could dollar cost average into any of them. You can dollar cost average into Ethereum, not into Tether because that just stays at $1, so it wouldn't make any sense. You could do XRP, BNB, Solana. Have a look. 3 to 5 years, yes, there's no quick get rich scheme. It takes 3 to 5 years, dollar cost average into the coin. And imagine if you did that with Bitcoin 5 years ago. Okay. I mean, you would be super happy because 5 years ago, you're looking at, what was it, 2020. So you're looking at 10,000. Now that Bitcoin's 104,000, you'd be super happy if you dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin every month for the last 3 to 5 years. So what I'm going to be explaining now is a hot project that I'm promoting called Apertum. Apertum has a coin called APTM. We already ranked 612 out of 9,295 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a fixed supply of 2.1 billion. We also have something called a halving model every 4 years. The coin has a halving model that gets back into the market. It's like same as Bitcoin every 4 years. It has a halving model that gets released to the miners, and it's the same for Apertum. Also has a burning model, and it's also a tier one of the Avalanche blockchain. You can come and have a look at the information here. Apertum is a leading general layer one blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem, built to deliver high performance, scalability, long-term sustainability. It is fully EVM compatible, enabling developers to easily deploy smart contracts, scale decentralized applications. So I'm very bullish on this project. We only launched in 2025 in February. Can you believe it? Only 8 months old. And look at the price of this token. 58 cents for one of these coins. Okay. Put this in your high risk portfolio. All I can say is dollar cost average into this project. We've already surpassed over 50,000 active members on chain. I really, really believe that this project has a lot of scope in 3 to 5 years' time. Where will this price be? Right? So what I also want to show you with a treat is you can actually register an account, and we've got our own dApp running on the Perton blockchain called DAO1. And here you can actually look at the products we sell. And I'll leave a few links down below where you can create a profile, you can create a DAO1 account, and you can actually purchase our products. Now, why would you want to purchase one of our products? Because it helps you dollar cost average into this project. And you can see the power of dollar cost averaging, as I mentioned, for Bitcoin, right? And this price is so low at the moment, 58 cents. So come and have a look at the products. They do start at $100. And they go up to 1,000, then they go up to 2,000, and they go all the way up to $70,000. But choose your comfortable point. So I'm going to have a look at the $1,000 product, right? It's called the membership tier 2. And what do you get for this? You get 2 products for the price of 1. You get a smart trader where AI trades for you on your behalf. All it's doing is buying low, this token, the Perton token, and selling high and bagging you as many of these tokens as possible. Now, how cool is that, right? You can also change your available pairs that you want to select. I normally select the APTM and wrapped USDT because USDT is a stable coin. And also we have a product where you can actually hold your APTM tokens, lock them away for a period of time, and get rewards, right? So these 2 products are super, super powerful in dollar cost averaging into this token. So grab yourself some of our products. Also, there's something really, really cool that you can also do. You can add to our liquidity pool. You can come down here. You can go to DEX, and we've got tokens, and you can actually add into our liquidity pool and benefit from the price increase when the price increases. And you can also benefit from an interest rate. So at the moment, for this pair, we're looking at 6% per annum at the moment, but I've seen this as high as 100% because this is weekend. It determines on transactions. And I've seen it on average between 20 and 30%. So you can also do that. And I can actually do an example. Do I have my device here? I do. So I'll show you how easy it is to add into a liquidity pool as well. All I'm going to do is click add liquidity. And I'm going to let me just connect my wallet. Is everything cool? Click pools. Here we go. So I'm going to add liquidity. I'm going to select a Perton. Let me just select, say, 4. We sometimes call this a cappuccino a day effect, right? Where you add this every day, just add it. And this is another way you can dollar cost average into this project. So I'm going to use wrapped USDT. I'm going to do, so it's a pair. So I'm just going to do that like a cappuccino a day effect. I'm going to press apply. I'm going to copy this because we've got an accountability group where we share our cappuccino a day, where we're adding to the pool. So I'm just going to copy that. And I'm going to press supply. I'm going to confirm supply and give me a sec while I just confirm this transaction. I do have a device called a keystone that secures my wallet, and I just have to use this keystone device, and I'm just going to add that to the liquidity pool, and voila, that's how easy it was to add to the liquidity pool. So let me just go back on the power of these products. So you can do 3 things actually. You can have an AI bot trading on your behalf. You can put away some of our APTM tokens, lock them away for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years, and get rewarded. And that's the 2 things. We can dollar cost average into this token. And then the 3rd thing is add to the liquidity pool. I'm very, very excited about this project. Also, I just want to end with a little document I created here. We also do have a business in a box for our DAO one, because you can refer people to our products. You can get commissions. And also, I've just shown you DeFi, which stands for decentralized finance, where you can stake for passive wealth generation. As I mentioned, you can hold your APTM tokens and you can get rewards. You can also, everything is on automation, right? With AI technology, and you can build a business, powered by blockchain from the DAO One concept. So this is awesome for entrepreneurs ready to scale, visionary business minds, future tech experts, blockchain newcomers, like-minded innovators. So all I can say is secure your spot now and step into the future of wealth creation. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to create a profile in the DAO One ecosystem. Grab yourself some products, reach out to me, I'll help you, and have a wonderful evening, and speak soon, and see you tomorrow for episode 63 of Smart Money.